Okay, so let us take another example. So we have the limit of sine the quantity of x minus 1 over x squared minus 1 as x approaches 1. So by direct substitution, that would be sine, that is 1 minus 1 all over 1 squared minus 1. That is equal to sine 0 all over 1 squared is 1 minus 1 is 0. And we all know that sine 0 is 0 over 0. So by direct substitution, indeterminate form ang ating nakuha, or 0 over 0. So we need to circumvent this indeterminate form para makakuha tayo ng value of this limit. Okay? So pwede tayong gumamit ng iba't ibang paraan kung paano natin makukuha yung limit. Basta kapag ka 0 over 0, ang kailangan nating puntahan pa rin is yung ating special limits. So since ang given dito ay sine, so dito ka titingin sa sine function. Okay, so we have sine x over x or x over sine x, which is equal to 1 if you have the limit. The question is, paano natin makukuha dito na magiging magkaparehas ang kanyang angle tsaka yung denominator? So we all know that this is the difference of two squares, yung ating denominator. So we can rewrite this as sine x minus 1 all over, we have x squared minus 1. Since that is the sum of two squares, we can rewrite this as the product of the sum and difference of binomials. So we have x plus 1 and x minus 1. Okay, so from here, pwede natin siya isulat as the limit of sine x minus 1 all over x plus 1 times x minus 1 as x approaches 1. Okay, so as x approaches 1, then we can factor out this 1 para makita natin kung alin dito yung sine function ng special limit. So we have the limit of 1 over x plus 1 as x approaches 1 times the limit of x minus 1 all over x minus 1 as x approaches 1. Okay, so from here, okay, pwede natin kapag tayo nag-direct substitution, sir, paano this is approaches to 1? Okay, pwede naman tayong mag-let ng ibang value just to approach this into 0. But since magiging mahaba pa yung ating pag-uusapan, pero the same lamang din ang ating makukuhang value dito. Okay, kasi pwede natin gamitin na ibang variable ang gagamitin natin dito para yung value dito ng x ay mag-a-approach sa 0. Or yung ibang variable na gagamitin natin, yun yung mag-a-approach sa 0. By this one, okay, we can still have that as still the same special limit. So that is equal to, if we have the direct substitution, we have 1 over 1 plus 1 times this limit. Okay, so that is equal to 1. And that is equal to 1/2. That is the value.